Unraveling the Phrase. Enjoy your youth. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and often heard phrase in English. Enjoy your youth. This phrase is rich in meaning and cultural significance, and understanding it can add depth to your English learning journey. So, let's dive in. Enjoy your youth is a phrase that's more than just its literal meaning. At its core, it's an encouragement to embrace the time of youth, a period in life characterized by energy, freedom, and the potential for growth. Youth is often seen as the time before the responsibilities of adulthood set in. It's a period for exploration, making mistakes, learning, and enjoying the freedoms that come with being young. In many cultures, youth is considered a precious and fleeting time. The phrase, "enjoy your youth," is often used by older individuals, reflecting a sense of nostalgia and the wisdom of experience. It's a reminder that the time of youth doesn't last forever, and thus, it should be cherished and lived to the fullest. Let's look at some examples of how this phrase can be used in everyday conversation. A parent might say to their child, "Enjoy your youth while it lasts. You'll have responsibilities soon enough." In a conversation between friends, one might say, "We should travel and have fun now. Enjoy our youth before we get too busy with life." While the phrase is straightforward, it can have different interpretations based on personal experiences. For some, it might mean pursuing adventures and experiences, while for others, it could mean focusing on personal growth and learning. It's important to reflect on what enjoying your youth means to you personally. I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, "Enjoy your youth," and its significance in both language and life. Remember, how you choose to enjoy your youth is a personal journey, unique to each individual. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.